model, 2020 Peugeot partner Berlingo Professional L1 Great Spec Black Spares or Repairs. Body, black, panel van. Mileage, 163538. Engine, 1499 cc DV5RD. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, Enginge does not start and want turnover, engine has seized and will need replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, parking sensors, air-con, cruise control, sat-nav. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £5,675. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.